guys, welcome back to the Chef's Girl TV. Today we're making a sweet and zesty lemon tart. I love this dessert so much that I even eat it really slowly. I full on nibble at it because it's such a good taste. Or I just take a really big piece and he gets eaten. Chef, you gotta take us through the ingredients we need to make a lemon tart.
So we have 400 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, and 2 eggs. For the curd, we're gonna have 8 eggs. We have 300 grams of custard sugar, 300 ml of lemon juice with the zest of 3 lemons, 200 grams of butter, and just a teaspoon of gelatin powder. Of course, some salt. Always put some salt in everything. Even in the desserts, you put some salt. In the eggs, we're gonna put a little bit of salt. Same here. A little bit of.
Alright, Chef Rigo, are we ready?
Yeah.
Make the tart base.
Here, 2 eggs with a little salt, and I mix them. What I'm gonna do is, when we make the shortbread, we have to mix it as fast as possible. So we're just gonna add sugar.
Butter at room temperature. How long do we need to knead the dough for?
Just until everything is together. And we have our nice dough. Put it on the wrap here.
Yeah.
Press it a little bit. And now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for half an hour.
Half an hour has passed. Let's have a look at the base.
Now it's harder. I'm gonna put it between 2 pieces, 2 sheets.
Sheets.
Baking paper. And we're gonna start the rolling pin.
Same thickness across the whole base. Are your muscles going good?
Alright.
I love it when there's the little scraps on the side. That's good. So you rolled it out. It's all done.
To fix it.
So it doesn't matter if, say, there's a dip here.
We're gonna fix it. It's super easy to fix. So, if it, like in this case, the baking paper is not wide enough, don't look at how it looks like. We're gonna fix it later. Just gonna put something here, and we're just gonna press.
Oh, you fixed it! Perfect!
Now, we're gonna put it in the fridge to set a little bit, get it cold again. In the meantime, we turn on the oven, 160 degrees.
Let's turn on the oven. Now our base is hard enough to be baked in the oven.
But first,
you also do it along the edges as well. Alrighty, now we're gonna put it in the oven to let it bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now that the base is in the oven, we can now start on the lemon curd.
yes, here. Since we are gonna freeze the lemon tart, because we can't eat it all, I'm gonna put a little bit of gelatin, so it helps me during the freezing process to don't.
We're not gonna eat it all.
Add the sugar.
We're gonna add a teaspoon of gelatin powder,
Yep.
and now we're gonna beat it with an electric mixer.
If you don't have an electric mixer, just whisk it by hand very well.
Do you want to explain why you're mixing it here?
For some reason, my mixer doesn't
Doesn't what?
work.
And we're mixing it here. Malfunction. Finally! Oh, it's finished again. Hey, Poopa! This is why you don't use. Oh, there we go. The tart base is ready, so let's pull it out.
It has this brown color.
Inches. So while the base is cooling down, we're going to start working on the lemon curd. I'm going to put the lemon curd on medium-low heat. And we're going to stir it until it starts to thicken up. Looking really good. So it really has changed very quickly.
So it takes around 7-8 minutes.
Alright, so it's at the point now where we can add the butter. I'm going to add it slowly in small pieces. You stir in the butter.
So you incorporate it.
Now that the butter has been mixed through, we can now set this aside to cool down, just so that it's warm, no longer hot.
Our chef's girl.
Let's say it again, let's say it again.
We got our chef's girl.
Yeah. Okay, so we've just taken the base out of the tray and we've put the curd into a jug, and we're just going to pour it into the middle of the actual base. And I'm going to do it slowly just because I think it's the safest thing to do. Keep adding it in. You want it to get to the top. Let it have a nice crust still.
Don't lick your fingers when you cook.
Curd is now in the tart. As you can see, it looks fabulous. Let's have a look. How good does the tart look? Beautiful crust with the curd. We're going to let that set in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours.
So we're gonna have it tomorrow for breakfast.
Oh, nah, we're gonna have it tonight at midnight. Midnight snack. I think it's a midnight snack, 100%. So thank you, Chef Rigo, for showing us how to make a lemon tart, considering how much you don't like making desserts. So, it's almost 11:15. I think that's close enough to midnight snack time.
She woke me up.
Ah, yeah, of course I did. Look at this tart. I think it came out really nicely. I'm gonna cut it. Beautiful.
Small slice, but we're not eating as full cake.
It's a mouthful. I think we should. I'm gonna come back for seconds later. Okay, so now you know how to make another dessert, a delicious, zesty lemon tart. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, and stay up to date with all of our new content coming soon.